make everything worse, and I get so bitchy and I don't have the strength to bitch. Bye, honey. Good morning, B-boy. Good morning, guys. Yeah, good morning. I'm in the car. Just get in the car. We're going to drop my mother-in-law. We just got home. I went upstairs to do my... Look at this, so cute. Look at, guys. My two baby that the same color, different mother. The other one is different. Look, the same color, different mother. The other one is different color, different breed. The same freaking mother. Because I think they tried to fight again. Look at the tail, Dimples.
Well, they were. I was just jumped up on top of Dimples. He was on top of them. So Dimples hit. Well, Hobbs wanted to play. He was chasing Dimples.
No, Hobbs mostly not playing,
no,
Han.
Then Hobbs ran and looked for Dimples to chase him, but Dimples didn't chase him. So.
Look, Dimples still mad.
Yeah.
Hobbs, don't be staring at your sister because your sister doesn't like it. Seems like she doesn't like it, honey. When Hobbs is in there. Anyway. So, I'm gonna do editing today, guys. I will edit my video from yesterday, and I think I'm gonna do a video that somebody requested me how I edit my video and how I do my thumbnails. I think I probably do that and then do voiceover after. I'm just gonna record it from my laptop and do a voiceover. And before that, I'm going to eat my mango. I will eat my mango, and I don't care my two annoying dog over there. Eat my mango. Let me eat my mango. Let me eat my mango. I'm worried also if the fruit is very sweet, because in the Philippines, I always have this. We always have this very sweet fruit, and then while we're eating it, we have to look at it if there's worm. Because some fruits, mango, sometimes they have worm. Especially if it's overripe. So that's what I'm worried about. And the kind of fruit from the tree, and it's ripe like crazy, like very ripe, and when I eat it, there's worm in there. I will give you example. Guava, there's worm in there. How do you call that? Mango. Santol. Oh my god, santol have this like yellow jumpy worm, guys. And there's more. A jackfruit. That's it. There's more, but you know what? That's all I can tell you. And sometimes tambis, if you know tambis. Look, hand the cat. Okay, guys, let me have my mango. We're gonna go pick up his mother, and I decided. I told my husband. I told Tommy I wanna go to the diner for lunch, for a change. So this guy over here need to shave, and it's not really it's really nice today, guys. I'm still wearing the same thing from yesterday. This is what I do.
This guy wearing a coat and hat and everything.
Which guy? This
gloves. What the hell?
No, he's jogging, huh?
That guy right there wearing a coat and gloves.
Oh, yeah. How the way is that?
I think it was snowing out here. I don't know. I'm sweating.
Yeah, it's hot.
And he's wearing a freaking coat and hat and gloves.
It's hot. So anyway, guys, I will see you later. I'm just like, it's really, I'm in a bad mood because when my husband, yeah, I mean, my day started really good, and then my husband came out from the shower and told me the news. It's just about the house news, guys. It's a house bad news thing. It's not totally bad news, but it's just like, you know, it's just like I'm expecting it early, but now it's pushing another 3 weeks. It's gonna be a month, next month again. This is the thing about this New York thing. If we're in other state, we'll probably have the house already.
Take a week to do everything.
Yeah, we probably have the house already.
For instance, it took 6 months for him to close on his house. 6 months is a long time.
Yeah. Our problem here, the house that we're getting, I'm just gonna tell you. I told you my last update about the house. It's we supposedly in February, in January, and then now it's pushed to February. Supposedly the loan locked in 26, this coming 26.
Yeah.
And now the loan just called my husband that, what is it, honey?
They're still waiting for some title work, so they have to push it back 3 weeks.
Yeah. So anyway, guys, so that's it. I'm just a little like,
Bitchy.
he likes it when I'm like this. He loves it, guys. He
No,
loves.
he doesn't.
Yes, he enjoy it.
No, he does not.
He enjoy it. I'm hungry. I need to eat.
Well, guys, stay on the. Don't go nowhere, because watch how she gets when she's hungry. I'm gonna die. I'm really hungry. I need to eat now. Now I need food now. I'm really hungry. I'm gonna die. I can't breathe. I can't have breath.
I can't breathe. Guys, if I get hungry, I'm sweaty, I'm shaking, and I think I'm going to collapse. And he just it piss me off more, and I can't talk because every time I do that, he makes me laugh, and he laughing, and it's just really bad. It's just really, really bad. Make everything worse, and I get so bitchy, and I don't have the strength to bitch. Bye, honey. And the guy asked me, I said 4.
Before?
I said like this, and I said 4.
Put down a street lamp.
Oh, I turned on my light in the bedroom last night, and that flash was going so fast. I ran in and shut it off. I put on the lamp. I said, "Yeah, I don't use the gun. Don't use the gun."
Please be careful.
Thank you.
Oh, is that mine?
Yes.
Thank you. What is it? Okay, whatever.
Manhattan clam chowder. That's what I said. It's made with tomato sauce. Not.
Looks good. This I don't know how it tastes like.
I'm not crazy
What
about
did
it.
you have, Mom? What did you have?
The Manhattan clam chowder.
You want? You can try this.
But I never had this one. It's just like a tomato sauce.
I don't like it. I got bats on the table.
It's not bad.
Yeah, I'll ask them how it tastes.
Huh?
I can ask them how it tastes.
We're outside again, guys. This dog is a riot every time they come out here. Look. And my hubby is here. Yeah. Always Misty run after Roxy. And Roxy can't relax. Look at Roxy. Oh. Hi Roxy, you tired na, baby na? He's very tall, guys. Look. I'm in the hollow area here. Look what happened, guys. I'm not even in his shoulder yet. Yeah, I'm not. Very tall. And I'm a shorty. Right, honey? Roxy? Oh no, enough. Hey, eh. No. Hi, Rox. You're dripping all over the place. Your mouth.
MaryAnn's driving lessons. Take 1. Wait, do you see her face? Wait, there it is.
Take one. What is take
Take
one?
one.
means?
Let's show you what the road looks like while she's driving. Let's see. Where's my camera?
You can just stop it and then
Oh, I gotta
turn
stop it?
up.
Okay, there she is. She's driving down the road.
Hi guys, we're back from driving around, and that was like I think 2 hours driving. And yeah, so right now I'm just gonna transfer everything to my laptop and start editing. I've been editing, since this morning. And yeah, so I'm just gonna say good night, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye guys. Bye Han. Han. Okay guys, bye. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye. Thank you for watching.